in Orlando on May the 15th. And Messi, another star turn for the greatest star, perhaps of all. Under by Thorhaldsen.
In the first couple of games for Orlando and Oscar.
Infringement early, persistent. See. Gressel across, first goal for Inter Miami. Legs.
If you're Orlando City, ball's going to get across the goal as his feet are going to Inter Miami.
Now 558.
Ball in the back. We saw CF Montreal a week ago give them some trouble.
Mundo Torres sits up for Thorhaldsen. McGuire had a massive campaign. A little competition in the teams,
but just in theory, very Barcelona-esque with the way they were trying to play with Messi.
Cartagena couldn't take it away. Through for Suarez. Now Suarez, 10 minutes gone. He opened his account, and now he's surely...
Where you think there's no space, he's going to bury it. Doesn't take much. Puts Inter Miami up 2-0. And this is not the team that you want to gift anything to, because what it allows them to do, and it couldn't have gone any worse. The one advantage for Inter Miami when they go up is they don't have to press in certain areas, attack certain areas. I don't think they've gotten into look at moments, right? Oscar Pereira, we talked about
Miami trying to start 3 unbeaten in the league for the first time in the Herons' 5th season. Slips it ahead. Suarez leans over the net. Robert Taylor seals the deal.
Being a yard behind Janssen in that back four when he gets stretched, and you'll see here, but you can't give him opportunities like that to run in behind your back four and keep him.
Far from done and dusted for Orlando. Messi.
And I would imagine for Oscar Perez, Janssen picks that maybe they run out of gas a little bit, but it's not staying in at a 3-0.
Messi! Calese. So about that.
Wow, from that distance. Does it hit the post here? Or just go say it hits the post. Awful lot of fun in this midfield. And today is one of those days, man. Because the ball turns over, he is finding acres of space to run in. He's going to be able to, if he picks his moments.
To Atlanta that he first coached. What he sees now, Jordi Alba.
Or given Inter Miami, because you know at some point they're going to get stretched because I look at moments.
As Jordi Alba!
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
Didn't get over. Oh. Total chaos in front of goal, and
doesn't even have to hit it again, and he's got Schlegel on his back, but he realizes it's going.
You know, Messi has scored some otherworldly goals.
Having fun, and this team is having fun. Gulo to the bench.
All of a sudden, this starts to get a bit out of hand. Substantial challenge on Schlegel. Kyle Smith came on for Santos at the stop as well.
Start to run through the midfield.
Queda, Calendar. Options.
Was at a height that he could get to it. Have a better look here, and you can see he does actually.
Kyle Smith. Smith, the dangerous looking ball. The Calendar plucks. Homegrown player whose rights they acquired from San Jose. Suarez with a full head of steam. Picks his head up. He has options. He sets up. The Miami runaway. Like a
Luis Suarez once again becomes provider.
And just how Messi drew it up, that's one off his head and one off his chest, right? Hasn't even really special. Messi's already responding to what was
Orlando City.
The commencement of 1 minute of added time. Day at Shea Stadium. Messi.
But there was nothing else happening than him having a shot on goal.
Messi knows. Messi. Kyle Smith, the rival. 5-0. Inter Miami over Orlando City. And the heat will be on when these teams